Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and also welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. In the last video, we explored common Korean words starting with kiok. If you have not watched this video, then don't worry, I'll share the link of this video in the description. And today, in this video, we are moving on to the next alphabet, Nien. The letter Nian gives us many useful words related to people, nature, and daily life. So, in this video, we'll go through some very essential words starting with Nian. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Man, 남자, 남자. Weather, 날씨, 날씨. Eye, 눈, 눈. Farm, 농장, 농장. News, news, news. As you can see, this is a loan word, as news is the transliteration of the English word news. Playground, 놀이터, 놀이터. Here, playground is the ground that is made for kids to play and do various activities. Okay. Date, 날짜, 날짜. Here, date is a date in calendar. Tree, 나무, 나무. Song, 노래, 노래. Laptop, notebook, notebook. Here, although it is taken from the English word notebook, but this Korean word for laptop is not the transliteration of the word laptop in English. Okay, you get this? Notebook is the Korean word for laptop and not the transliteration of this English word. Age, 나이, 나이. Tear, 눈물, 눈물. As you can see, nun is the Korean word for eye and mul is water. So water coming out of your eye is tear. 눈물. Simple. Refrigerator. 냉장고. 냉장고. Camel. 낙타. 낙타. New York. 뉴요크. 뉴요크. Again, the loan word and simple. It is the transliteration of the English word New York. Husband. 남편. 남편. Smell. 냄새. 냄새. Snow. 눈. 눈. Remember, the Korean word for eye and snow is same. 눈. Orchid. 난초. 난초. Tomorrow. 내일. 내일. Parachute. 낙하산. 낙하산. Butterfly. 나비. 나비. Necktie. 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 As you can see, this is a loan word. Farmer. 농부. 농부. Older sister. 누나. 누나. 누나 is used by a man while referring to his older sister. Okay? Younger brother. 남동생. 남동생. Basketball. 농구. 농구. Wings. 날개. Nalke, cooking pot, Nimbi, Nimbi. Here, cooking pot is the pot that you use for boiling water or making soup. That pot we are talking about over here. Okay, and that kind of pot in Korean is called Nimbi. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered essential Korean words that start with name, but there are so many more. So, can you think of any other Korean words that begin with name? If so, then share them in the comments below and let's make this list even longer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. And stay tuned for the next letter in our series. Thank you.